Hello everyone. Now let's start with the next chapter of 9th standard, which is probability. So first of all, we have to understand what do you mean by a probability. Probability is nothing but the chances. It is nothing but the science of chances. The study of chance. How much chance is there to get that particular result is nothing but a probability. Probability is nothing but chances. How many chances are there for that particular thing to happen? As the word itself it is saying, probable means most probably. हम कैसे बोलते हैं कि probably it may rain today. It may rain today means it may or it may not, but chances हैं कि वो rain हो सकता है. In our day to day life many times we are using the word probability, or we can say chances are there that the today's match India will win. 50% chances are there. So again we are using probability for that. For the in your crickets and your games, many of the situations we are using the word probability. Then chances are there that the prices of the diesel may hike. So these are nothing but the probability. Probability is nothing but chances. Chances to occur that particular event. वो हो सकने के कितने chances हैं, that is nothing but a probability. And always the probability will lie in between 0 to 1. These type of questions may come for 1 mark. Probability will lie in between 0 to 1. या तो वो 0 हो सकता है या 0 से 1 के मिडिल में हो सकता है. It cannot be more than 1 and it cannot be less than 0. 0 से smaller नहीं है and 1 से greater नहीं है. In this particular lesson, we are studying about the empirical probability. Empirical probability is nothing but experimental probability. Empirical probability is nothing but experimental probability. जब अगर आप experiment करके उसका result लेके probability find कर रहे हो, then we can say it is nothing but a empirical probability. For empirical probability, for an event is nothing but how many times that particular outcome can happen, that is nothing but a event. One example I will show you here. If suppose a coin is there and we are tossing it for 10 times. So what we are doing here, number of times coin is tossed. Suppose 10 times हमने उसको टॉस किया है एक कॉइन को, तो उसके कितने पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, क्या आंसर्स आ सकता है वो. Either it can be, everyone knows this, either it can be head or it can be tail. तो number of times tail comes up मतलब ऊपर जो आएगा, tails come up, and the number of times head comes up. Suppose हमने एक कॉइन को टॉस किया है 10 टाइम्स में से टेल्स ऊपर आया है 7 टाइम्स, और उसका 7 टाइम्स क्योंकि टेल्स ऊपर आ गया तो कितने टाइम्स बचेगा, that will be for heads will be for 3 times. Then what is the probability to get the tails comes up? It's nothing but the probability. So probability always we will later use for P. Probability to get tail comes up is nothing but we are having the formula number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcome means number of times tail comes up divided by total number of times the coin has tossed. तो number of times कितने हैं 7 and the total number is 10. तो 7 by 10 is nothing but 0.7. तो probability कितना है कि tails ऊपर आएगा 0.7. This way you have to do the questions. Always the denominator will be total numbers and numerator will be वो आप जो find कर रहे हो वो event कितने times हुआ है, that is nothing but a numerator. न्यूमरेटर में आप जो फाइंड कर रहे हो, डिनोमिनेटर में टोटल, दैट इज योर way to find the probability. And what you have to remember, probability will lie between 0 to 1. It cannot be greater than 1 and it cannot be smaller than 0. Means negative अगर आपका है तो वो probability नहीं होगा. Okay, in the same way now we will write the formula to find the probability for that. Okay, the probability is nothing but, event is nothing but outcome. जैसे हमने लिया था कि अभी टेल्स कितने बार आएगा तो दैट इज अ इवेंट. ओके, अगर कितने बार हेड्स ऊपर आएगा तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ इवेंट. इवेंट इज नथिंग बट द कलेक्शन ऑफ आउटकम. आउटकम मतलब रिजल्ट. सो पी ऑफ ई इज नथिंग बट number of trials in which E has happened. E has happened मतलब वो कितने टाइम हुआ है, कितने टाइम वो हुआ है, divided by the total number of trials. Always the denominator will be total number of trials. This formula you have to remember. In the short notation we can write probability of E is equals to n of E. मतलब वो कितने टाइम इवेंट हुआ है डिवाइडेड बाई n of s. n of s मतलब टोटल कितने टाइम्स हुआ है. n मतलब नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स इन द टोटल and the number of times that particular event has happened. Like this also we can write for that probability. With this a simple आपका जो 9th स्टैंडर्ड का पोर्शन है उसमें का इजीएस्ट चैप्टर है. नथिंग इज देयर इन दैट, ओनली दिस वन फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू रिमेंबर कि प्रोबेबिलिटी आप जब भी फाइंड कर रहे हो तो आप जो फाइंड कर रहे हो दैट विल बी द न्यूमरेटर और जो आपका टोटल है वो डिनोमिनेटर रहेगा. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट प्रोबेबिलिटी. विद दिस ऑल नॉलेज वी विल गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस. So try to understand it. If you are having any doubt regarding any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.